everyone. Once again, we've got a package day. This time I've got two packages that I've ordered stuff from. This one's from eBay, and I'm pretty sure this one's from Peterson. I ordered some Peterson picks. I've never used them before, so I figured I'd try them out. But let's first see which eBay purchase this is. I had a few of them coming in. This is the first one to get here, and I'm actually surprised it's here because when I was checking tracking, it was saying that this one wouldn't be here until Saturday. So, and today's Friday. So let's see what all we got in this box. Yeah, there we go. I mean, lots of goodies there. Okay, that's... there is a lock in there. Alright, what do we have here? A brass mortise cylinder. Brand new. And it has a restricted do not duplicate keyway. So, that's a pretty wicked keyway there. And it is zero bitted, so I get to make this one up however I want it. It just says made in USA 156. I don't see any brand markings on it anywhere except for AML, maybe American Lock. But that's definitely not a standard American Lock keyway. Anyway, that's a good one. That'll make a hell of a challenge lock, I bet. Let's see here. I got a little cam lock. I've got a core. I got a pack lock core and some keys. If I can open up this little frickin' bag. Come on. Okay. It's not a bad bitting on that key. It is a working pack lock core. So, too bad I don't have a pack lock to put it in. And believe it or not, guys, see what we have there? We don't have a crimped core. We've got a ring on this one. So, what's the diff? Come on, pack lock. Why did you go from a ring to a crimped core? We'll find out. Let's see here. Got another old quick set, and it's actually a kick holder. Some sort of lock here. Not real sure what it's for, maybe for some sort of cabinet or some sort of sliding door or something. I'm not real sure. I've got a kick. It's got a quickset keyway with a couple of quickset looking blanks. A little made in China little box lock or something here, a little lever lock. Got a master lock core. A little sticky. It does work though. And it's more than a little sticky too, it's a lot sticky. But that looks like the same type of core that would go into a Pro Series. Okay, I got another master lock core. This one is zero bitted and it's a shorter core. I've got, it looks like a trunk lock. Double-sided, so I'm sure it'll work either way. Yep. Okay. I don't know anything about these. Does anybody know anything about these? I didn't even notice that these were in the order, but Quickset or Elco Unican key card. I don't know what that is, guys. Don't know if those are car keys or some other... Oh yeah, Nissan, Subaru, okay. Honda, and Chrysler. So I got a Chrysler, a Nissan Subaru, or a Honda. That's July of 99, July of 97, and March of 02. So if anybody has any cars in that range and wants these, let me know. Alright, I've got another quick set, kind of an odd shaped, that's a Westlock, not a quick set, but it's got a quick set style keyway. Kind of a funky shaped core. The only other core I've seen that was funky shaped like this one, Den Brass made a lock called a Joker lock, and it kind of had a weird side thing going on here for something. Okay, I've got a Master Lock core that is brand new in the package, 0-bitted. I've got a little cabinet lock. It is a pin tumbler cabinet lock, so it's not a wafer. I've got another one of these Westlocks. Okay, this is a, it says US lock on it, but it's a Schlage bow on the key. So it's another Schlage type. Another little cam lock. And a little cabinet lock or something. Or chest lock, or I don't know. Still has the screws for it. Padlock eyes. Okay, this is just the for mounting a padlock. Okay, this is just all a big lot of stuff that was going all together. Another one of those Westlock style kicks. Oh, cool. Another tubular lock. And that thing's got some pretty good spring pressure on it. You got to push that down pretty hard to turn it. Okay, more bits and pieces. Part of a box. I have no idea. Looks like a wheel off of a key cutting machine or something that's been chipped. Never seen a lock of this manufacturer before. This is a Norwalk. It's pretty dirty in there, so I have to definitely gut this one and clean it up before I do anything with it. And actually, once I took the key out, it doesn't want to rotate. Oh, there it goes. That's weird. And what is this one? This one is... Oh, that's an old Eagle. Eagle Lock Company. Never had an Eagle rim cylinder in here, or mortar cylinder, or whatever, rim cylinder, I guess. In here. There's the bitting on the key with it, so that's kind of neat. It's got a pretty wild keyway in there. I might only be able to get that with a 15 thousandths. And the key does work, so that's pretty neat. I might clean that one up and I don't know, do something with it. Then what do we have here? Rim mount deadbolt 40 millimeter sort of lever lock. Okay. Well, that's the eBay purchase, guys. A nice little pile of stuff for me to, just kind of add on to my stock of locks for making challenge locks. So, not a bad little grouping of stuff. So, let's go ahead and look into this one now. This is the one that I'm pretty sure is from Peterson. And not a big pile there. But I ordered 5 picks. I've never had Peterson picks before, so I figured I'd just give them a try. I ordered a 25 thousandths hook, a 25 thousandths gem, a 25 thousandths DeForest, and a 15 thousandths hook, or 18 thousandths hook, and a 18 thousandths gem. So that's what I got from Peterson. So I'll try them out. Never tried them before. They look like, you know, pretty strong, fairly well done. I'll have to do very, very little work on these. Slightly better finish than the Sparrows picks, but I don't know. Maybe, guys, maybe for the difference, I might stick with Sparrows, but we'll see. The price on these were quite a bit more, but there was a pretty good discount going on them. So there we go. I'm at 10 minutes, so I'm not going to pick anything right now. And the one I'm mostly curious about is the one that I just dumped all the key pins out of the backside on, which is this pack lock here. So actually, I'm not dumping key pins out. I'm dumping master wafers out. Okay, that'll definitely get repinned. Anyway, guys, stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. And please, like and subscribe.